Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to optimize your eBay store. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of your screen. If you have store subscription, you will see manage store option. Tap on it. Firstly, update your store logo and banner to make your storefront look professional. Tap button Edit Store and upload high quality images that will represent your brand. Next, what you should do is customize your store description. So write a clear and catchy description that tells buyers what you sell and why they should shop with you. So then you can tap on the button Featured Listings and select some of your best items to showcase at the top of your store page, and that will attract buyers also. Then review your item titles and some descriptions. So you need to make sure that you're using strong keywords that buyers would actually search for. Simply keep your titles clear, specific, and packed with important details. What else? Offer competitive pricing and free shipping whenever possible, so it will make your listings more attractive and it can boost visibility. And finally, keep your store active by adding new listings regularly, because the more you list, the more chances you have to show up higher in search results. So that's how you can easily optimize your eBay store on your phone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.